The restoration portion of the water damage process is very important. Restoring your property back to 100% involves making sure all of the inventory, furniture, wiring, plumbing, walls, and every aspect of the commercial property is repaired and working properly. When all of the basic restoration work is complete, we send in our finishing experts to do a final touches. We handle all types of commercial water damage restoration, big or small. Our technicians know how to fix it all. Call 702-381-5696 for 24-hour emergency services.